Hi, here is a short video for the concept inheritance. Inheritance is nothing but is one of the OOPS concepts. Here is the definition. It's the capability of one class to inherit the properties of another class. In other words, the technique of building new classes from the existing classes is called as inheritance. So in inheritance, we use two kinds of classes. The one is base class and another one is derived class. Base class is also known as superclass and the derived class is also known as subclass. Okay, what is base class? It's nothing but it's a class whose properties are inherited by another class. It's also called as superclass. What is derived class? It's a class that inherits properties from base classes. It's also called subclass. So derived class inherits all the properties of the subclass and also it can add additional features to the derived class. Advantages. The first one is code reusability. We can reuse the code of the base classes. Then next is to implement real world models. Then finally, transitive nature. Visibility modes. We can derive new classes in three kinds of modes. The one is private, the next one is public, and then finally protected. So the visibility mode defines the accessibility of the members of the base class within the derived class. So if we not specify the visibility mode, means by default it will take private mode. Types. There are 5 types of inheritance. One is single and the next multiple, hierarchical, multi-level, finally hybrid. Single inheritance. Single inheritance is nothing but deriving a new class from already existing class. So in single inheritance, there is only one base class and then only one derived class. In figure, Y is the derived class and X is the base class. Syntax. Class is a keyword and then derived class name, colon, visibility mode is an optional one. After that we use base class name. Inside the derived class we can declare data members and member functions. Here is an example. Automobile is the derived class. It is derived from the base class vehicle. Then multiple inheritance. It's nothing but deriving a new class from 2 or more classes. So X is the derived class. It is derived from X and Y base classes. So syntax. Class, derived class name with colon, and after that visibility mode, base class name 1, after that visibility mode, base class 2. Here child is the derived class which is derived from father and mother base classes. Then next hierarchical. Hierarchical is converse to the multiple inheritance. So in hierarchical, we can derive more than one classes from a single base class. In figure, Y and Z are the derived classes which is derived from the base class X. Syntax. Derived class name 1, colon, base class. Derived class 2, colon, base class. The same base class. Here Y and Z are derived from the class X. Multi-level. Here more than one level of hierarchy we can use. Deriving a new class from already existing derived class. So here exists the new class which is derived from the class Y which is already derived from X. Syntax. Here Y and Z are Y is derived from X and then Z is derived from Y. Hybrid or multipath inheritance. It is a combination of 2 or more inheritance makes hybrid inheritance. In example, W is the base class, XY are the derived classes of W. Z is the derived class which is derived from X and Y. So in this figure, we can see both the multiple and multi-level inheritance are implied. Thank you.